Hey guys, so today I just want to do an operation on this Rollei lens because I want to use it on my Canon EF camera. So what I need to do is that I need to take out this mount here, open the screws, and then change the mount with this adapter. This is a QBM to EF adapter that I'm selling. I think it's about 50 ringgit or something like that. But well, I need to test my products, and I also want to use this lens on my camera, so that's why I'm doing this today. Okay, so this is my first time doing it, so hopefully all is smooth. I'm gonna use this as a mat, just in case there's any loose pieces that I hope it doesn't drop through this hole here, the slit here. Anyways, okay, I need to choose the right screwdriver size. I think this big one will do. Wow, need this size because I think the groove is too fine to be used with the bigger ones. Okay, so it's working. Okay, the screws. Alright, so I got the screws out. I need to find a way to open it up safely. Ooh. Okay, that scared me a bit there. Okay, so seems like the mechanism is quite simple. So just open this part, take out, and put this in. Okay, so the other thing is about orientation. So I have this Nikon adapter here just for comparison. So I realized that this hole here, this is the this is the top lah. So you need to face this top here. So I need to orientate the lens based on this. Is it top? Or is it here? Let me check it later. Let me see. So this is the top part of the lens. So let's see if it fits. Okay. Because like usually you put the Canon lens, then you turn. So let me see. Oh, there's a red dot here. Maybe it works this way. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So just need to align the screw holes. Okay, screw holes align. Push it down. Put the screws in. And then use my hand to screw it in first. Ooh. one. Alright. The third one. This one I need to hold it down because there's a spring mechanism behind the lens, which is something like a M42 aperture pin to depress the aperture blades. Like to press, I mean when you press down the pin, then the blades will come out. So there's a similar mechanism for this lens. That's why I need to press it down, because otherwise you'll push the adapter upwards. So, but now that I have two screws in, then I don't have to push it down anymore. So that's why I can lift up my hand. It's supposed to make things easier, but somehow this screw is hard to go in. Okay, now it's in. So what I'll do now is that I won't make it too tight, because I know that I might need to actually like take out this adapter in the future, because, well, number one, I'm selling this lens. Number two is that this is a Rollei QBM mount, so I might want to use with Rollei cameras, or I might want to sell it with Rollei cameras. So that's the other thing. So this is how it looks like after I put in the Canon EF adapter into the lens by changing out the QBM mount for Canon. So this is how it looks after. Show you the aesthetics. Okay, first we check the aperture blade. Is it working? So yes, it works. Okay, maybe I need to tune the aperture blade, but now it's wide open. Okay, later I'll check it, but now it's wide open. Okay, and then I will test it with a Canon camera. Let me show you. Okay, so this is Canon EOS 1V. This is 5, Mark 5. So we're gonna put on the Canon adapted QBM lens into the camera. And yeah, it mounts on, see? So it's fine. It works fine. Just I need to check the aperture blade, like how come like, you know, it's like this. Okay, anyways. So there you go. Hope this helps. Maybe the blades have some issue, I'm not sure. But it mounts on, so there you go. Thanks everyone. Bye. God bless. If you like this video, please if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks. Alright, I found the issue for the problem just now. It's because here in this adapter, there's an indentation right here. So this indentation will cause this pin not to be depressed. Not to be pressed in enough to actually manifest the aperture blades. So that's the issue. So what I'm gonna do now is that I plan to add a layer of tape here to actually exert more force down on the pin when it's actually installed on. So I'm gonna cut out a small piece. Cut it out. Then I'm gonna put it on the area here, which actually have the indentation. So you should exert more force onto the pin itself. Okay, alright. To add on extra strength for the tape, I'm gonna put on like 2-3 layers. So this should be effective to exert more force onto the, and to give more force onto the thing. So I'm gonna cut it. Okay, alright. Just gonna put more I'm gonna put on 2 more layers but you can see like as per your discretion. I mean, if you encounter this issue because I assume that not all lenses have this issue because particularly this unit, the aperture blades are a bit lazy, so maybe that's why this issue occurs as well. So I'm gonna put on. So now it's 2 layers. Now a 3rd layer will come in. Okay, this is a 3rd layer. Hopefully it's not too tight, but so yeah, now the indentation is actually pretty much, I mean it's filled more than just now. But of course, like, the concern is that I must make sure that it's not so thick that it actually affect the focusing of the lens. So that's the other thing to be concerned about. So now I'm gonna put this on. Gonna put it to 1.8 first, and put this on. So red dot to red dot. Okay, alright. So now it's on. Okay. So just now I learned something. I need to cover this lens so that I don't scratch it accidentally. So once I got it covered like this, then I can put on the screw. It's a magnetic screwdriver, so it's less convenient than I would like it to be. I think the hole is not aligned. Turn it around. Alright. Okay. Cover this. Right, screw in. Right. Okay. Another one. No, align just now. Alright, cover it up. Screw it in. Okay. Alright, let's test and see first before we put in the 3rd screw. Maybe push down. Oh, still the same. Yeah, it's coming. Yes! So it works. Just that it's a bit lazy. See? Come on! Don't be lazy! See? It's not the adapter's fault, it's the... I mean, the lens itself is a bit lazy. So, it works, just that... maybe you need to put on more layers later, like if I use it seriously. But of course, for myself, Usually I just shoot wide open, so it's not a big issue for me. Because for me, I think that if I'm gonna stop down, there's no point for me to use prime left. I mean, I can just use a normal kit lens or something like that if I stop down. So I mean, if I'm using film, then that's another issue lah. Of course, I need to stop down if I got no choice. But if I got a choice, usually I don't stop down. So I mean, if I use digital, then usually I don't stop down lah. Because the shutter speeds are really high on digital. Okay. So this is wide open. Wide open now. Sorry, now it's f16. And wide open. f16. Wide open. f16. Wide open. So it works. See, it works. So it works now. So the fix helped the source ratio. Yeah, there you go. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, thanks everyone. Bye. God bless. See you. Show you the shiny coating. Bye.